everybody, and welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'll be showing you how to create macros in Razer Synapse. So first thing you're going to do is open Razer Synapse and click on modules. And then you can see under available modules you should find a macro. I've already installed mine, so it's down here. Now you're going to go back to dashboard. Once you've installed it, click on macro. And you can see I have some macros here. I'm going to go ahead and create a new one. So I'm going to click on plus. And you can either record or insert the keys for the macro. So I'm going to record, and you have options for shortcut key, delay, and mouse movement tracking. So I'm going to change the tracking to screen, and then I'm going to start it. So now it's recording, so I'm going to click on Chrome. I'm going to move my mouse to the close button and click, and then I'm going to stop. And now I can click on keybinds and the plus next to keybinds and go to the device I want, and I'm going to assign it to scroll click and save. And now if I put my cursor down here and click and I scroll click, you can see it opens up Google Chrome, and let's see, it closes it, and it goes back to the place where the stop button was. So that's one thing you can do. You can also I'm going to create a new one, and you can insert keys on your own. So this is more quick because there's no delay in between. You can see here it has like delay times. This one is going to do it all as fast as it can. So I'm going to insert type text and type 1, 2, 3. So click down here, 1, 2, 3. And then you can also insert mouse buttons. So right click or left click. I'm not going to use that one now. You can also do commands, but I'm not exactly sure what that does. So if you know, let me know in the comments below. You can do loops, and you can do macro groups. So I'm going to do a keystroke, and I'm going to do A. And I'm going to move that below the type text, or move the type text above that. There we go. And then I'm going to insert a loop, and I'm going to insert a keystroke. So inside of the loop, so I'm going to make the loop go 2 times, and for keystroke I'm going to do A. And then after the loop I'm going to insert keystroke, enter. So click over here, enter. And then I'm going to do the same thing, click on my device, and I'm going to replace the macro 2 with macro 3 here, save. Now I'm going to open up Chrome, and I'm going to go to the search bar, and I'm going to click to my scroll click. You can see it does 1, 2, 3, A, and it searches. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. These are just some examples that you can do. There really are endless possibilities of what macros you can do. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.